Myself, Sunil Ramusha, this is the next. So here 1% of the yes. That is basically one artificial intelligence software basically, which is using the data basically. So here 1% of that yes basically. So AI industry basically is connected up to this level basically. AI industry basically is connected up to this level. So 1% already yes. AI world is connected up to this level. AI world is connected up to this level. So 1% told that basically. Like this way also basically world are created. So here 1% asks the question basically. So basically we want to track basically the next generation basically. Because in the software basically you told that basically set of conditions basically are used. But 1% basically he basically is currently unmarried. After certain day basically or year basically he got married. That time basically the conditions changes totally basically. So he told that yes basically. But the source basically that is the his main data basically, that is the source data basically, that never changes basically. To change that data basically you required basically 70 lakh 80 lakh crore basically, that normal person basically can't afford. Normal person basically can't afford. That's why basically his souls basically never gets changed. So you can just imagine basically his source basically never gets changed basically. So this is basically also connecting to the AI world, that is artificial intelligence. Suddenly one person basically connected who is actually collecting the data basically of oil conditions basically, which can be trapped. He told that basically I have not seen that Marine Drive video basically in your YouTube channel basically. So Sunil told that basically no basically still basically I have not got the job in software company. So that's why basically I have not uploaded that video. So when I will get the job I will upload it in software company. So next.